Toyota RAV4 4th generation. Fuse and relay panel description. Fuse replacement. Engine compartment fuse box. The fuse box is located in the engine compartment, left side, as shown in the image. Engine compartment fuse box diagram. To check the fuses in the engine compartment, follow the instructions below. 1. Vehicles without a smart key system. Turn the engine switch to the lock position. Vehicles with a smart key system. Turn the engine switch off. 2. Open the fuse box cover. Push the tabs in and lift the cover off. 3. Check if the fuse is blown. Engine compartment fuse description and specifications. Description and specifications of relays in the engine compartment fuse box. Fuse box under the instrument panel. The fuse box is located under the instrument panel. Under the instrument panel fuse box diagram. Under the instrument panel fuse description and specifications. If any electrical components fail to function, it may be due to a blown fuse. In that case, inspect the fuses and replace them if needed. Fuse box behind the instrument panel. The fuse box is located behind the instrument panel. Behind the instrument panel fuse box diagram. Behind the instrument panel fuse description and specifications. After replacing a fuse. If the lights still do not turn on after replacing the fuse, the bulb may need to be replaced. If the new fuse blows again, have your vehicle inspected by a Toyota dealer. Engine compartment relay box. The fuse box is located in the engine compartment, right side, as shown in the image. Engine compartment relay box, Type 1. Engine compartment relay description and specifications. Type 1. Engine compartment relay box, Type 2. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car repair guides and maintenance tips.